Have you ever wondered how to make anime-inspired dishes while maintaining a healthy lifestyle? Imagine recreating your favorite on-screen meals while also fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. Intriguing, right? Well, you're in the right place, so stick around. Anime, a Japanese style of animation, often features mouth-watering dishes that are not just visually appealing, but also nutritious. Now, the concept of anime-inspired dishes has garnered attention worldwide, and it's not hard to see why. These meals, often brimming with vibrant colors and tantalizing flavors, are more than just eye candy. They're a fusion of art and cuisine, bringing the fantastical world of anime to your dining table. But the real magic lies in their potential to be healthy. By carefully selecting ingredients and balancing flavors, these dishes can be nutritious and delicious. It's all about finding that sweet spot between taste and nutrition, transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary adventures. So, are you ready to recreate these anime-inspired dishes in a healthy way? Let's dive in. Making an anime-inspired dish is not as complicated as it may seem. Today, we're going to make a dish inspired by the vibrant world of anime, packed with health benefits. Our dish is tofu stir-fry, a regular in many anime shows. Tofu is an excellent source of protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a valuable plant source of iron and calcium. Let's start. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. Firm tofu, a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and broccoli, low-sodium soy sauce, garlic, and a touch of sesame oil. Don't forget your favorite whole grain for serving like brown rice or quinoa. First, press the tofu to remove excess water and cut it into cubes. While the tofu is pressing, chop your veggies into bite-sized pieces. In a pan, heat a splash of sesame oil and start by sautéing the garlic. Once it's fragrant, add in your tofu and cook until it's golden brown. Toss in your vibrant vegetables, stir-frying until they're just tender. Now, for the sauce. Mix low-sodium soy sauce with a pinch of pepper. Pour this over your stir-fry, tossing to ensure everything is nicely coated. Let it simmer for a few minutes to let the flavors meld together. Serve it over your whole grain of choice and voila! You've made a nutritious anime-inspired meal. And there you have it, a simple, healthy, and delicious anime-inspired dish. Let's recap what we've covered in this short video. We delved into the fascinating concept of anime-inspired dishes, effortlessly blending the worlds of culinary delight and animated art. We then walked you through a detailed step-by-step guide on preparing a dish that not only tickles your taste buds, but also keeps your health in check. The best part? These meals are as nourishing as they are delightful. Remember, you can enjoy your favorite anime dishes while still maintaining a healthy lifestyle, so get cooking and enjoy!